Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to keep your monitor turned on when the laptop lid is closed in Windows 11. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's just get straight into it. Alright guys, in search, type in control panel and then click onto control panel. And now from here, make sure it is set to small icons. So you've got a whole list of icons here. And then you want to look for an option called power options. So click into power options. And then on the left hand side, you got choose what closing the lid does. So click into that. And then from here on battery and plugged in, where it says when I close the lid, it's set to sleep. So if you want it to stay on, go ahead and click on do nothing for both. And then exit out, restart your click on save changes, and then restart your PC. So next time when you close the lid, it will do nothing. Your Windows monitor will be kept on, turned on. So yeah, so that's it for this quick tutorial guys. Thanks for watching it to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.